Now, I've chosen one of the stencils, and I've flipped the mold inside out. Got my resin brush, and I've got again this Mad Mica's Sexy Stranger on a Train, and then the Let's Resin Chameleon powders. Okay. Now, I did use that foam insert to kind of flatten out. However, I don't know how you say that, but anyway. The back. Okay, because this will not have much support. Okay, a little right there. A little right there. Maybe just a little right there. Alright. I try not to move it around too much because it will want to do it. This is the one that I have no idea what the color is. I've read them before, but like I've said, that translucent sticker really just nearly makes it impossible to read. Okay. As you go along, it does get a little bit harder to keep your stencil down. But you still want to keep it down. Okay. Alright, this one. Okay. Might mess everything up, but then I'm going to go for a blue. Okay, just a little bit here on the edges. Okay. Sorry, I always tap my mica brush off on the side of the desk. And that was really smart, wasn't it? Okay. Let's see what we've got here. Okay. I'm going to flip it upside down in one movement and try to dump all this out, or dump some of this out. That works so well. Okay, I'm going to try to match kind of what I did through the stencil, in other words with the colors. I'm sorry, trying to concentrate too much. Okay. Now let's just go with the brown and the gold. Love that gold, it's so sparkly. Okay, maybe a little something right. Oh, y'all, I almost forgot to turn the camera on. May have to mix up a little bit more. It's rare for me. Actually, I am not. Okay. I am so terrible at using these. I have to concentrate so hard, and I'll have to babysit it because I know more bubbles will come up. Okay, so we'll set this aside and demold in the morning. Super excited about this one. Alright, I'll be back. Okay. Here it is. Let's do this thing. Oh, if you'll remember, I did this in the color change. The chameleon powders, all except that brown. keep it down so you can't see. Okay, if you'll remember, this is the little heart that I did with that. Whatever it's called. Sexy as a stranger on a train or something. Sexy stranger on a train. Drum roll, please. Here we go. Now, of course, there's a lot of overspill, but that was to be expected. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I love it. I absolutely love it. Brown, the color change on the edge. There we go. It turned out really cute. I love it. And no bubbles. Remember, we did the vibration on the edge of the cup, mixing cup. And I got resin all over it. Makes me angry. But anyway. So, there it is. Another TEMU mold done right. Once again, I will have the links for everything listed in the description box, including the mold. I've got a 30% off first time buyers coupon for TEMU and an affiliate link. And if you buy anything through that affiliate link, I get a little kickback from it. As well as I've got an Amazon shop listed that I also get a little kickback from if you purchase anything through that link. I've added a super thanks button to the below the video, and to my description box I added a buy me a coffee and an Amazon wishlist link if you're interested in any of those things. Oh goodness. Alright, y'all. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I hope y'all have had a wonderful week. Because I know I have. I think I'll just end this now. Bye for now.